Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on or turn off notification previews on your account on Messenger easy and quick. First click on these three lines here. Now click settings, and here as you see you will find notifications and sounds. Click on it, and now you will find here notification previews. Just click on it like this and it will be turned on, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.